while at the same time from flat shapes we went to a C-shape polyimide strip, and we increased the width also from 18 to 25, and you can see automatically that the U value now dropped from 3.5 to 2.8. The lower U value you have, it means the better insulation you have. The higher U value, it means more energy can flow through. And even a better system here now with where we take care of the convection with the fins which are in between the aluminium or the polyimide strips. And even here you can see the gaskets are also in hollow chambers. Then the U value was reduced to 2, and you can go down and down and down. We have today in the market in Europe windows which we helped insulate, which have 0.8 or even better U values. These are some more advanced systems from some of our customers. Some of them I see here also with us. So you can get 1.3, 1.2, 1, and even less U values. Same for sliding. You can have a basic sliding system with a central thermal break in the rail and the sash, or a more advanced one such as this one, which will give you a better insulated value. The same with curtain walls. If it's a traditional or capped, what you call curtain wall, or you can have a unitized system or structural glass system still with the strips there making the thermal break. Now I'm sure that I see my colleague there from Müller, who will be one of the speakers. He will explain how the assembling is between the aluminum and the polyimide strips. But just briefly, you can see here on the first picture on the left, you have some grooves in the aluminum where you have to make a knurling being making the teeth which will grip the polyimide into the aluminum. This is done by a machine which has discs with teeth. The second step is to insert these polyimides into these grooves of the aluminum on both the outer and inner aluminum side. Then through an assembling or a crimping machine, you can push the hammers where you can see this orange F. The force is coming there through the discs, and you can push the hammer to hold well the polyimide in place. And here is where this knurling comes in handy, because you have these teeth, the knurling, then you can have a good grip, which makes the whole system as a one spirit. So your aluminum profile is no longer two pieces with a polyimide in the middle, but really a one bar. And to test that and the strength, we do shear testing on it, whereby European norms you have to have 24 newtons or 240 kgs of power shear strength to make sure that now you can say this profile is one piece. There are other tests that we do, and we can do those tests in our lab, again in Germany, for long-term behavior at different temperatures, at different humidity levels, through aging oven, which we also have. So we do all kinds of tests to ensure that this bar is really one spirit. These are some examples which already we're proud to say in India are already done. This is the ITC Grand Chola in Chennai. This is the largest hotel in India today, and it's a completely thermal break system. In this hotel, they had the added advantage and the desire to have sound insulation, and the thermal break helped in a few points there for sound insulation. One was because the polyimide was attenuating the vibration in the metal, so it helped in the sound insulation. And the second, they were able to get the width, depth necessary to put a more or a better glass double glazing with even phonic advantages. Another nice project here, residential, this is in Gurgaon. It's the Magnolias residence with the Rainier system. And I think there is also a phase 2 coming out of that. Another example also from a local fabricator with a local system using thermal break in India is from AGV Alfab. This is a hotel called Windham Hotel here in the Delhi area. Another one is again in Chennai. It's a Leela Hotel, which is quite a known hotel in India, and it's made by Thermaline. Again, a local system, locally made here in India with thermal break. Another one is Crown Plaza. This is also one of our customers, European Facade Products, which is active in India, and they did this project in Cochin. So this is more or less explaining briefly to you what is thermal break. Of course, we can give you more information in our booth if you like to visit us. But as Technoform, we really have a big market share in this field, and we are experts since around 40 years. Most of the aluminum systems, fabricators, and extruders worldwide use our products, and we support them with all kinds of technical innovations, new products, because as you know, in Europe also and in the US, the technology moves very fast, and we came up always with new products and new solutions to their needs. Thank you very much.